Welcome to Google Sheet Course English. First of all, I will scroll it down. We will talk about introduction of Google Sheets. There you will learn about the basic fundamental of Google Sheet. Then we will talk about essential training Google Sheet. There you will learn about cell columns and rows, how to send Google Sheet by mail, how to create Google Sheet shortcut, version history, freeze rows, sort data by range, find and replace, then conditional formatting. So there are so many features we have covered, data validation, then how to print download comments on Google Sheet, create charts, data validation and filter view, then autofill, then how to know who edited cell in Google Sheets. So these features are very very important. How you can track sales, how to delete empty rows. Then we will talk about formulas and functions. There you will learn about import range function, then unique formula, proper upper lower formula, then edit, join formula, split formula. Then we will talk about more features like pivot tables. So this is a systematic learning of Google Sheets. If you want to learn Google Sheet completely, just subscribe this course.